Good afternoon, guys. My name is Austin. I spoke with Gene earlier, I believe. I know he was on the site. With that being said, we couldn't talk too briefly, but we spoke enough about running y'all's ads on Angie's List and how we can actually capitalize in that area. So, with that being said, I'm looking at y'all's website, and it's not horrible. It needs to be updated a little bit. So, what Google's looking for is Google's looking for content. What content means is the right keywords and also the right amount of words on the website. Okay. So this is all great. This looks good, but Google unfortunately does not rank based off the beauty of the website. Okay, so you have about us, your services, what y'all do, right? But it's all on one page. Okay, so give you examples of some of those competitors that are killing it. The top page, you have 1 hour air conditioning and heating. They provide all the services, right? Or you see HVAC, air conditioning, heating, thermostats, ductwork, air quality. At the same time, you get some money back, anything for 25 to 10% off. Here's a contact, if they want to submit an application for anything, kind of what they do here and there when it comes to repair. But if you notice that they have a lot of words, they have a lot of descriptions. That's what Google's looking for, right? The more words that you have, the more power that your website will generate. They also have a map pack, which areas they cover all around South Beach and West Palm Beach area, the zip codes, and also the actual cities and the names. And on the bottom, everyone that sponsors them and who they part. So they have Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, right? So let's look at their actual ranking. So UR is going to be the strength. DR is going to be the popularity, right? Now when it comes to the backlinks, almost 78K backlinks. That's incredible. That means that their link is on 78K other sites, 78,000 other sites that links back to this website, their website, right? And then you have their referring domains, 2.1K, which means that their website name or their, the URL is also on the websites as well. 47.7K organic keywords. So this is very important. Why? Because when people go to search air conditioning, AC, right? Heating, cooling, thermostat, repair, anything you do like that, it's popping up. That's what you also Google's gonna help rank you with that. So if we have the right keywords on y'all's page, that's gonna help volume. So this is gonna be searches per month. KD is a keyword difficulty, right? CPC is obviously your clicks per your pay-per-click. Traffic is gonna be the amount of traffic that's coming through, and then ranking up and down in the position that they're in, right? So first page, still on the first page, on the second page right here. But the idea is to get you up on that first page, okay? So another example of a competitor is on the first page is Premier Comfort, okay? Website's pretty good. They also have a lot of keywords, a lot of good keywords as well. So like cooling systems, repairs, installations, right? They interlink that, which means if you were to click on any of those things, it would rank you back to their site, which is very important, or to other sites as well that benefit them, okay? Were to look at their actual stuff. So their strength, 31, UR is popularity, not the best, but they have a decent amount of backlinks. They can use some more domains, some more keywords as well. The organic traffic, you can use more of that, and the traffic values, not the best, but they're on the top page somehow. So it's all about the right content, okay? Last but not least, we have Lindstrom Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Now, they're pretty awesome. All their stuff. Now, if you notice, they don't have a whole lot of content on their homepage, okay? But if you start to look at all the stuff that they do, why they rank so high, I'm about to tell you why. UR, strength, DR is going to be popularity. Look at the backlinks, right? They have a lot of backlinks. They don't have that many domains, but they have a lot of keywords. So those keywords are so important, guys. Those keywords are going to also help you rank back to the website as well. So if you were to click, for example, let's see what their keywords are. If we were to click on, let's see, air conditioning repair Boynton Beach, right? Volume 90, that's 90 clicks. Keyword difficulty 5, $75 per click, right? Lindstrom Air right there. Anything like that, air conditioning, AC, you want all those keywords to be on your website, okay? That's the biggest thing. And then also, we have your page, which is going to be right here. 5 strength, no popularity, 130 backlinks, 12 referring domains, 13 keywords, no traffic, and no value. So let's look at your keywords real quick. South Florida Air Solutions, Florida Air Solutions. So a lot of solutions. What you need in there instead, what we can do, obviously you want to put, AC repair, AC units, AC installs, AC maintenance, thermostat issues, heating and cooling issues, anything to do with AC repair issues, and then Palm Beach County, West Palm Beach, whatever areas that you work in, Port St. Lucie, the whole 9 yards. So that's just an overview of what I can do to help y'all. And like I said, I partner with a lot of businesses in this area when it comes to AC repair companies, and I've been using them a lot. They've been using me instead of using Angie's List or Home Advisor, because honestly, those websites are not the best to get from. So go ahead and watch this video. Give me a call back on 225-955-8194, or email me back as well, and we can go from there, guys. Hope you have a good one.